Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna consider a very interesting problem in my mind, and it's interesting because we can face it in everyday life. So in a certain town, 30% of people were conservatives, 60% socialists, and 20% are liberals. In this town, at the last election, 65% of conservatives voted, as did 82% of socialists and 50% of the liberals. A person from the town is selected at random and states that she voted at the last election. So what is the probability that she is a socialist? Alright, in order to solve the problem, let's first denote some letters. So let's take conservatives. Oops. So let's take C as being conservative, S as being socialist, and L being liberal. Alright? Now what else we're given? We're given that 65% were conservative voted. It means that, well, first of all, let's consider that 30% of the people are conservative. So how to convert this information into probability? So P of C equals to 0.3. Just divide by 100. So P of S equals to 50% or 0.5, and P of L equals to 20%. Correct? And now, how we can use the second information we are given, that 65% of conservatives voted. First of all, let's denote V as person who voted. Alright? So how can we convert this information to probability? It means 65% of conservatives voted means probability of that person voted given that he or she being conservative, which is 65% or 0.65. Alright? In the same manner, the person is voted 82%, so given that S equals to 0.82, and probability that person voted given that she's liberal equals to 0.5. And we're given that the person selected at random, correct? And we need to find the probability that she is a socialist. By the way, guys, do not confuse the following two terms, like probability that person is voted given that she is socialist, and probability of person socialist given that she voted. These two are very different, alright? And by the way, the first information is already given and equals to here 82%. So we're not looking this one, right? Let's cross them out. And now, in order to solve this problem, we need to use a Bayes theorem. So which states that probability of A given that B equals to probability of B given A, given A times probability of A divided by probability of B. So how can we use this information in our problem? So we need to find probability of S given V equals to probability of V given S times probability of S divided by probability of V. So we are given this information, which is 0.82, this information, which is 0.5, but we're not given probability that she voted, right? How to find it? So we need to find first this one. So with the information that we are given, we might express it in the following way. Probability of V that person is voted equals to probability of person is voted intersection, right? Intersection means and. C or S or L. That person being either conservative or socialist or liberal, correct? And this one equals to what? This one equals to probability of Vs, we can say, plus probability of Vs plus probability VL. And now, what is this one? This one equals to probability of V given that C times C plus probability of V given S times probability of S and plus V probability probability of V given L times P of L. All these informations are given, correct? So let's just multiply. And now, let me scroll down a little bit. And now, what is this one? It is given that equals to 65. So 0.65 times 0.3 plus, what is this one? V given S equals to 0.82 times 0.5 and plus 0.5 times P of L equals to 0.2. So let's crunch these numbers into calculator and find out this equals to 0.705. Now we found that this number, this is our what? P of V, correct? Now let's find our main question. So equals to P of V given S equals to 0.82 times P of S equals to 0.5 and divided by 0.705. Let's use our calculator and find that this number equals to 0.5816. So almost 0.6 equals to 0.6, and it means that 60% of chance that a person was socialist. Thank you so much.